Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome on Vedantu. This is the Sprint Tech second series and we have covered 3 sessions in which we have covered the sample paper, and before that we have covered 6 sessions in which we have done the CBSE 2018 paper. I hope you have already watched those videos. Please do watch them if you have not watched till now, because those are important and mostly problems will be repeating kind of now. Yeah, because these are fixed number of problems and you have been like seeing this CBSE actually creates the same situation kind of problems. It doesn't change much. Yeah, so if you watch those videos, it will help you a lot in the upcoming videos. Okay, so just to let you know, my name is Jimmy Ahuja and I've been a mathematics teacher on Vedantu for the past 4 years. Let's get started. Just to remember one more thing, that if you don't have the schedule, just check the schedule once again, and do not forget to download the Vedantu app to clear all your doubts and any kind of study material requirements, and also watch the videos. Let's start with question number 21. This is a 3 marks question. Today we are going to do 21, 22, 23 and 24. 2 questions, 21 and 22 are of 3 marks, 23 and 24 are of 4 marks. Fine. So just focus on how we are going to attempt that and how you should write it. Correct? So let's get started. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 kilometers per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. Find the time in which the level of the water will rise by 21 centimeter. It's a very simple question. I'm giving you a formula. Just a formula and you will be able to do this problem quickly. Okay? Remember one thing. Volume, rate of flow. How much volume is flowing in an hour per hour actually is equals to area of cross section multiplied by area of cross section of what? Pipe na, cross section of pipe through which it is flowing. It doesn't matter whether the pipe is a cuboidal or actually rectangular cross section, or it is having a square cross section, or it is having a circular cross section. It does not matter. You just have to remember the correct formula for it. If it is a square, then use a square. If it is a rectangular cross section, use L into B, and if it is a circular cross section, use pi r square. This formula is applicable everywhere. Fine. And the next is your rate of flow. How much fast it is flowing, at which speed. Rate of flow is just your speed, kilometers per hour. It is flowing at 15 kilometers per hour. Correct? And you have this volume rate of flow. Just to find out that, remember, I'm creating the concept also. In 1 hour it flows something, in t hours it will completely fill something. Correct? So just remember this formula. Volume, total volume flow is equals to volume filled in the tank. Whatever the tank is now, volume filled in the tank. I'm going to edit this formula. This is not good. I'm going to create a situation in which there will be direct substitution. Total volume that has flown in t hours. So what is that? Just see the situation. It will be volume rate of flow into the time. How much time it has flown. Correct? भाई कितनी देर तक पानी निकला है पाइप से और कितने समय तक गया है, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड यू हैव द वॉल्यूम फिल्ड इन द टैंक. कितना पानी भरा होगा किसी भी टैंक में. अब वो टैंक किस शेप का है, नो मैटर. फाइन. सो व्हाट यू गेट नाउ? टाइम. You want the time now? How much time? They have said find the time. So what is the formula you get? Great. You get the formula T is equals to volume to be filled, जितना volume fill करना है या volume filled in the tank, upon the volume rate of flow. Done. Use this formula directly. कुछ नहीं, nothing else. Just use this formula directly to get the time. See, I hope you understand. I have created a formula for this question. Now every question like this will be solved in, say what, 1 minute, 2 minutes, more than that, or what? Just you have to solve quickly, nothing else. How much fast you can solve the calculations. But remember the formula, okay? That volume to be filled. Just remember what volume you are filling right now. In a 50 meter, 44 meter wide, and you want the tank to rise by 21. Isn't it looks like L into B into H? Length into breadth into height. Do not forget to keep this all the units same. That is very important, I'm telling you. So remember, what is the volume to be filled? Length into width into height upon. What is the volume rate of flow? I just told you. Area of cross section. Area of cross section is, what is the pipe? Through a pipe of diameter. Obviously it is a circular pipe. So pi r square, pi How much is the diameter? Check now. 14 centimeter. So what will be the radius? 7 pi r square. Remember, the units should be the same. I have created one thing wrong. This is in centimeter. So what should I do to convert it into centimeters? Absolutely correct. Sir, divide by 100. So this should be divided by 100. I'm keeping 100 say here. Okay? Or I'll create in the end. No situation. Just leave it right now. अभी इसको जाने देते हैं. We'll take up in the last. We'll keep the unit same. और what is the rate of flow? कितनी तेजी से बह रहा है पानी? 15 kilometers per hour. किलोमीटर्स को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So what is that? 15 into 1000. 15 into 1000. This converted into meters. 7 क्या था? Diameter क्या था? Centimeter था. Diameter क्या था? Centimeter. So what should you do? Convert it into meters. You should divide by 100 ना. That is the thing you want. Just take that. 7 को divide by 100. So that 100 will come up. 7 को divide by 100. That 100 will come up. See how fast you can do this now. 21 was in centimeters. Divide by 100. So 100 नीचे. And it's done. See, the units are balanced or not. 50 meters, 44 meters, 21 centimeter balanced by 100 in the denominator. Centimeter to meter, divide by 100. Pi, what is pi? 22 by 7. So write 22 by 7. 22 by 7. इस 7 को यहाँ रहने देते हैं. No issues, it will be cancelled. और pi r square, radius is 7 centimeters. So 700, 700. It was in kilometers, so into 1000. See, you have got it. Yes, just cancel, now start cancelling it. So I'm gonna change this color so that you do not get messed up in this. See, first of all, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. First of all, we cancel this one. Now how many zeros? 2 0, 1 0. See this, 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros. Cancel these 2 zeros, cancel these 3 zeros. Gone. Next, 22 ones are, 22 twos are. You won't need more than 2 minutes. I'm explaining. I'm not solving. If I solve, then think about it. 7 7 cancel. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. 5 threes are. What is 5 threes are? 15. What is 15? What is left out? See the digit that is left out. Only this 2 is left out, and this is the answer. Done. Answer will be in hours only. 1 page, 4 lines, and you have this question right in front of you. Demolishing, isn't it? What is this question? Nothing. आपको बहुत दिक्कत होती है. I have seen students facing difficulties. Now remember this and that one. Write this. Please write this in the exam so the teacher doesn't cut your marks. Don't let him. Get him give you 3 marks for this. Everything you have written it down. How you are using it. Okay? You have created the time and you found the time. I hope you have understood it. And if you have liked this part, like the video right now. Don't wait till the end. Yes? Let's do the next one. I'm going to teach you how you can do surface area volume quite fast now. See, a solid sphere of radius 3 centimeter is melted and then recast into small sphere balls, each of diameter this. Remember what is happening. A shape is there changing into some other shape. What will remain fixed? Volume will remain fixed. Yes, if volume will remain fixed, think about it. The initial volume and the final volume should be the same. So if there is a solid sphere, and it is casted into 3 smaller spheres. I do not know 3 or n. It's n. We have to find. This is being converted, okay? So just remember this. What is the radius of this one? The bigger one, 3 centimeter. Into spherical balls of diameter they have given. They are playing with us. So what is the radius? The small radius is 0.3 because it is diameter is 0.6. Just see the time how much I take. So bigger radius is 3. So see, do not have to put pi value. Do not put pi value. See this. Total volume 4 by 3 pi capital R cube should be equal to the initial the final volume 4 by 3 pi. What is the volume of this one? R cube. This was R cube R cube. I mean R cube R cube. How many times I do not know? N times. How many times? N times. How many balls are there? N balls are there. How many balls are there? N balls are there. Now see what is happening. Pi 4 by 3 cancelled. Pi 4 by 3 cancelled. Everything will be cancelled. What is R cube? 3 into 3 into 3. See how I'm going to do it very fast now. What is R? 0.3. So it is 3 by 10 into 3 by 10 into. See how I'm writing so fast. Even this is creating a lag. Correct? Into 3 by 10 into n. Is it okay? Have you understood it? Great. If you have, just remember this thing now. 3 cancelled. What is left? N is equals to 1000. Have you got it? Have you understood this? Is it easy? How many balls? 1000. 3 zeros were there, just nothing. Yeah? Keep on liking the videos, don't wait. I told you. Let's take the next question. It is a mode formula question. You see there is written, the table below, find the modal. Modal means mode. Mode you can find, सबसे easy if you have this whole statistics में सबसे easy formula is mode. Nothing you have to do, nothing. See the data is continuous? Correct. Because the data should be continuous just to make you understand that H will change. बहुत important I am saying what right now. H class size बदल जाता है. If data is not continuous, class size will be different. It will be one less. So should data be continuous? Not one less always, depending on the situation, but most of the time it is one less. Okay, now see what is the formula for mode? Mode formula is what? L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I have just remembered the formula. I do not know anything else. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put the value for which is the model class lower limit. But what is the model class? The highest value in the number of households. Question I don't need. What is that saying? Just remember what is the highest value? 12. This is your F1. उसके just पहले F0. उसके just आगे F2 and done. So what is F0? This. What is F0? F1 this, F2 is this. You have all the values. What you want to do now? You want to just do this. Remember what you want to do now. L. What is the lower limit of this class? 200. What is F0? 12. What is F1? 12. What is F0? 5. 2F1. So 2 into 12, 24. Minus F0, 5. Minus F2, 2. What is the class size? The difference between the upper class limit minus the lower class limit. How much it is? It is 50. So into 50. Have you understood that? Any issue you have? No. Great. So what is happening? Simplify this. Okay. Let's do it. 12 minus 5, 7. 24 minus 7, 17. So it is 200 plus 7 by 17 into 50 if I am not wrong. If I am wrong, correct me right now. I have no issue. Tell me right now. 12 minus 5 is 7. 24 minus 5 is 19 minus 2, 17 is correct. Now you can just cancel this and solve it. Mention the answer in the comment box. Do it fast. Comment the answer. Remember your mode value will be like in between this. It should be 200 to 250 between this. It should always be. That is our mode. So find the modal daily expenditure. You are finding the mode of it. Tell me in the comment box and you are good. Great. Okay. Let's move to the next question. 23. So this is a question of 4 marks. Fine. 21 and 22 were of 2 marks. In one question we have a choice now. Yeah. A train takes 2 hours less for a journey of 300 km. अरे ये तो question किया है last class में. Yes? Yes, we have done it. 300 km. If its speed is increased by 5, then its usual speed for 2 hours less लेगी. I have told you ना. It was an aeroplane, yeah. So भाई अब speed बढ़ाओगे तो कम time लगेगा. And if the speed is less, you will take more time. I have told you something you all remember. I have told you a very important trick to remember. I always tell this to the people. Remember this way: distance, speed, time. Yes, you want to find the distance formula, put your hand. What do you get? Speed into time. Speed d by t, time d by s. Alphabetical order है. Fine. Just remember this. Let's do it. You want the time difference because they have said 2 hours कम लगता है. तो पहले time ज़्यादा लगता था. तो usual time is more. At usual speed अगर आप जाओगे तो usual time is more. Time usual minus. What is the next part? Minus the time new. नया time. When the speed is increased. How much is the difference? 2 hours. What is time? बताया था अभी? So distance by speed. Correct. How much distance? अरे 300 kilometers. They have mentioned ना. So 300. What is the speed? अरे you do not know the usual speed. Take it as x. Mention it. Let the usual speed be x kilometers per hour. Great. So put x. What is the new time? Distance upon new speed. Now the speed has been increased by 5. So it is x plus 5. See, if I want to do fast, I can do even faster than this. But I want to make you understand, try to understand my point. So all the feedback that I've got, I'm a little bit slow. I'm taking that feedbacks. I'm moving fast. But if I move very fast, all of you who are watching these videos, mention in the comment box that you are facing this issue that I'm moving very fast now. I'll go slow. Okay? I read all the comments, don't worry. So I read all the comments. Yes, I'm saying that. So let's continue. Take 300 common. 1 by x. Even after the class, I actually watch it. Okay? Some of the students must have got replied also. So now, all the homework question I see. So remember this thing. Let's take up the problem now. It's so simple. Why I have taken 300 common? Because I do not want to create a mess. I want to create simple. I like simpler things. Complex things nahi pasand. So x plus 5 into x. What you get? X plus 5 minus x equals to 2. See how you can do it. X cancel. What is left? 5. 300. And there is 2. So you can cancel this. 2 ones are 2. 2 150s are. Now 150 into 5. 750. So 750 is equals to what? X square plus 5x. 750 is equals to what? X square plus 5x. Wait, I'll tell you the trick also. Don't worry. I'm here. 750 is equals to what? X square plus 5x. I'm going to solve it on the new page so that it is better for everyone. So x square plus 5x minus 750. So क्या बताया मैंने? What I have told you? इसको देखते हैं, इसके फैक्टर्स, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है पर इट इज 1, नॉट एन इशू ना. और इसको देखते हैं, कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? सब्ट्रैक्ट द फैक्टर्स. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. रिमेंबर मैं जीरो स्वैपिंग टेक्निक बताई थी. लेट्स डू इट. 750 देखो कैसे करेंगे फास्ट. 1 into 750 नहीं काम बनेगा, जीरो स्वैप करेंगे. इज ओके. 1075 नॉट वर्क. यू वांट 5. You are getting it. Yes, correct. I have to explain it. 375 will never work. Leave it. 3 into 250. 3 into 250 होगा. देखो मैं लाइन से चलता हूं हमेशा. That's important. 1 2 3 चलता हूं, कभी स्किप नहीं करूंगा. So 2 into 375 तो नहीं करेगा. 3 into 250 करेगा. क्यों करेगा? जीरो स्वैप करो. What will you get? 30 into 25. When you do the zero swapping, what will you get? 30 into 25. Subtract these two factors. Do you get 5? Yes. Done. So it is x square plus 30x 25x minus 750. No question is rectification. It's all I'm doing right now in front of you. So x common. I don't have that much time to rectification the question. I'm telling you how I'm going to do in the paper. I'm not going to tell you like ये मैं रट के आ गया 30 25 factor and I'll do it. No. I'm telling you that I am going to find like this way only in the paper and count the time how much I will take. And even if I'm explaining, if I don't explain, just think then. So x plus 30. I hope you understand my point now. X minus 25 equals to 0. X is minus 30. X is 25. This answer cannot be taken. How can the speed be negative? Yes. So what is the answer? X is equals to 25 kilometers per hour. I hope you find the speed now better. Yeah, is it? So x is equals to 25 kilometers per hour. Fine. Let us take the next problem. Okay, this question is 1 upon a plus b plus x. Okay, I'll write it very fast for you. Is equals to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x. Fine. इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. It's very easy. Remember one thing. They are standardizing this. ये इसको standardize कर दिया गया है. Okay, they are asking this. What you have to do is just simple thing. Always take the x. एक variation है इसमें, वो भी बताता हूँ. The variation is you have to ये 2x हो जाएगा. This will be 2x. Don't get into that situation. फंसना नहीं है. Don't get stuck. Just bring this only. Only x term should be bring. Okay? Let's do it now. 1 upon a plus b plus x minus 1 upon x is equals to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. Fine. Take the LCM now. X into a plus b plus x. This will be x minus a minus b minus x. सही ना? Because minus is there, every sign will flip ना? Yes, correct. Good. Take the LCM. AB. What will you get? A plus b. Okay, some people will say, sir, a plus b नहीं, b plus a होगा. आप गलत कर रहे हो. Some people will say, I'm doing wrong because it will be b plus a. Okay, man, I'm taking b plus a. What will you change? Only the thing is, I should have written it. Fine. Mathematically, it's correct. Representatively, it is wrong. So this will be minus common a plus b. and this will be x into a plus b plus x equals to a plus b, I'm writing now, upon ab. क्या हुआ? What is the change now? Okay, a plus b is cancelled. Fine. Now a plus b and a plus b both are cancelled. So ये भी minus हो जाएगा और ये इधर आ जाएगा term. I'm writing here for you. Okay. Try to understand my point. It will be ax plus bx plus x square is equals to minus ab. पहले तो ये इसको समझ लो. Understand this part. What I have done? Very simple it is. I have multiplied ax, bx, x square and I have shifted them. I have given it a flight. चलो भाई ऊपर जाओ. And bring it this one to this side. So minus हो जाएगा. Fine. Now arrange it standard wise. X square plus ax plus bx plus ab equals to 0. Such a simple. You don't even have to do splitting the middle term. Yes, it is. Take the common only. It will be x plus a. Take b common. X plus a equals to 0. So either x plus a or either x plus b is 0. So either x is equals to minus a or it is equals to minus b. Done. Fine. You understand this? I hope you understand this. Okay, let's take up the next question. Last question for today, question number 24. I think that video should have been shortened by now. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay, just go with the flow. I'm gonna go slow a bit. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term formula. If a series has finite terms, the last term is the nth term. ये तभी होता है, हमेशा नहीं होता. What I'm saying is, if the AP has finite terms, then only the last term is the nth term. Otherwise, nth term is a general term. It's not the last term always. Remember, this is a very important concept that you miss. So now understand, an AP consists of 50 terms. So n is given. Third term is given 12. A3 is 12. और क्या दिया है? And the last term is 106. So nth term is 106. In this chapter AP, you have got number of variables, same number of equations. There are two variables. You do not know the first term. You do not know the common difference. So they have given two equations for you to simplify so that you can get those two variables, and it's done. It's simple linear equations you are solving in two variables. Trust me. Just use this formula and linear equation in two variables. Fusion है. So what will you get? A3, A plus 2D. Put in the formula na. This is the total number of terms. ये मत put कर देना. Okay. A3 is equals to 12. So what is equals to 12? Now you know nth term is the last term, but ये given 50. So actually उन्होंने में 50th term की value दे दी है. Because last term 50th ही होगा ना. So put 50. So you get A plus 49D equals to 106. मैंने मुझे पहले वो लिखना. I should have written this up and this down. It's okay. Subtract it. Cancel. This will be minus 47. This will be minus 4 and 94. So this will give me D is equals to 2. If D is 2, what will happen? Put in any equation. I will put in the first equation. A plus 2D is equals to 12. So A plus D is equals to 2. So 4 is equals to 12. So what is A? A is equals to 8. A is equals to 8. I have A, I have D. What they are asking, ma'am? 29 term. Okay, I will find it for them. 29 term will be what? A29 will be what? A plus 28D. Put the value of A, 8. Put the value of D, 2, 56 is equals to 64 is our answer. Done. I hope I have not done any mistake calculations, which I generally do not make, but still if I have made, you all are there to correct me, and I am more happy if I make a mistake and you correct me. I don't mind it, okay? But the chances are very less. So we'll continue in the next session. I hope you have enjoyed the session. I have moved very fast. I can move even faster, but don't panic. I don't want to move that faster. It will be like me talking to myself. Teaching is not like that. Teaching is me talking to yourself at your speed, at your understanding level. And there are 10, see, even the fingers are not same, na? They are of different sizes. So all the persons are of different understanding level. Everyone understands, someone takes lesser time, someone takes more time, and it's not bad. It's just you are not compatible to that fast learning. Maybe you learn something else faster than the other person. Yes, maybe you are a better cricket player than the other person. You can hit a better square shot other than that person. Yeah, so this can be true. So this is whole mathematics is, it's always true. So don't panic. You can use that 0.25x also. If I move faster, and if I move slower, take 1.25x. That situation you can obviously create your own level of speed. Yeah, try to use that. And in the next session we'll continue after question number 25. There will be 4 questions or 3 questions at most I will take. These all are 4 marks question. Please do write the steps completely. I have missed a little bit of steps. If I have, please do mention them and write it completely. Okay, we'll meet in the next session. And yeah, do not forget to like this video, which you have already did because it was such an awesome class. Share this video with your friends when it is live. Yes, and even after when it is not live, just share them with it. Okay, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and do not forget to press the bell icon button. We'll meet you in the next session. Bye.